pepper. If them like me, the fire catapult off heavy. Them throw up from no jealousy. Them stand the eye our progress. See them don't fit put us under.
Hi my lovely people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my mini afro. I think my hair is so short, so I call it mini afro. My hair is already moisturized. I use the main choice leave-in conditioner and the butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them down, and hopefully it will turn out good as always.
My baby, no, they called you. Even when your friends them they rode you, I swear they go them they mod you. You still respect my hustle. I count on you, you know they bust my bubble. Oh, there will be no me without you by my side. Oh, how I want to take your time, how I want to live this life. Not only that, go fit inside. Now you where they bust my bubble, that. If them like me, the fire catapult off heavy. Them throw up from no jealousy. Them stand the eye our progress. See them don't fit put us under. If them like me, the fire catapult off heavy. Them throw us from no jealousy. Stand the eye our progress. See they cannot stop our love. Oh baby, I tell the world you're my baby. Nothing ever do my lover. They cannot put.
So this is the end results, and I'm really loving it again. I'm really loving this hairstyle in this summer, and I have had a lot of compliments whenever I do this hairstyle. Yesterday even when we went to McDonald's. So this is how I do my mini afro, and I think it came out pretty well. I'm gonna show you guys the back. I can't see my back, so just see. Let's do this side too. Can you guys see the back? How does it look like? Yes, I can see the back. I can see the back to save my life. Like, yeah. Alright guys, so this is how I do my mini afro. So I'm gonna do a comparison in 3 months to see if my hair has grown more or a lot, and then we would see how far our God has brought us again. Right. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you people enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch up with you guys very soon. Bye.